We hope you are all well, and you have all not affected by pandemic COVID, and you are all doing well. Of course, the situation is very pandemic and creating a lot of troubles to us and our families and all. But being teachers, we need to continue our professional development. As a part of that, we have already started this action research project. First of all, I would like to say that we understand the position, but meanwhile, in our free time, let us do some work with regard to our project. For that purpose, we have called you again. The purpose of this meeting to know that position, whereabouts, and the position of our project, and let's work together to complete the project. Of course, we'll do it after the reopen, but before that, we need to do something. That is, at least we need to prepare the questionnaire, data collection, and all that we have to prepare at least by this now. And if suppose if possible, we may collect data from our teachers or colleagues. If possible, we can collect from some of our students. That is only if possible. But just let us know what is the status of each and every mentor and super mentor and all that. For that purpose, we have conducted this meeting. Now, to seek this information, I request Vinay sir to take over and speak to our mentors and super mentors and all. It's over to Vinay.
Good evening, all of you. So, most of you have framed your questions, but some of them you haven't collected the data. So, is it not possible to collect the data now? Because I have seen all the PPTs, just only 5 or 6 teachers, they have collected the data. Just I want to know how many of you have already finished collecting data, means taking an interview of your colleagues, talking to your students, talking to your colleagues, and talking to your friends who are teaching the similar context. So do you have any kind of data? How many of you have already completed your questionnaires or interviews? And how many of you written your own reflective diary also about the problem? So these kind of data we can do now. So if you have already done, please just raise your hand there or put it in the chat box. Yes.
Once our schools reopen, we don't find time because we will be very busy with our regular school schedule. So it's the right time to do all these things during our vacation time. To what extent we can do that only, of course. Just you think over and start action. Just thinking is different. Again, we have to start action.
No response in the chat box. So this is first issue. So now let us start that. Prepare some questions based on your research question. So share it Google form in the Delta group so that you will get at least 10-20 responses from the teachers. Share it with the other teacher researchers, even with the mentors, even with me also, so that we will send you the responses. So that kind of data you. Otherwise, you can talk to your friend or colleague. Just record that audio about the classroom issue that you have taken. So record that audio conversation between you and your colleague or your friend, your teacher or the teachers. So this is the task that you have to do now. Another thing is one is that Satyanar answer. Prepare the questionnaire to students and the teachers. Okay, and you can collect the data from the even students also, because you have a WhatsApp groups with, every school they have already created the WhatsApp group with the class wise. So prepare some questions in the form of Google Form or whatever it may be, and post it in the WhatsApp group so that they will respond. If they cannot respond in the WhatsApp, you can just make a call and talk to them and record that conversation also. So that is also evidence of taking an interview like that. So this is also works. This is one issue that you start doing, and mentors, super mentors, please motivate your teacher researchers also. And the second concern is that out of 50 teacher researchers, and we have able to complete only 25 presentations so far, only 50%. So now I request the mentors. So is there any possibility from your team, the other teachers, those who haven't done their presentations, are they ready? Have you ever checked them? Have you ever motivated them? If not, so how we can motivate them to participate in actions? So please respond to this question. Mentors.
Vinay sir, one more thing is also there. Recently, from one posting is there in our group, that is Vanilla, Dr. Vanilla from NIT. So started some actual research project. And I think okay,
Any others, please?
dear,
Reflect.
dear teachers, if you have any queries, if you have anything to speak, you can raise any point.
So now new participant is there from Kranti ma'am from Siddipet, I think, and she has joined with Salome ma'am. And like that, Ramon sir is also there. He wants to join with us. And like that, so many teachers are waiting. What we are doing, they are observing, and some are away from this project, and they want to come now. And just invite those who are interested, and by that we can continue this process.
Hello.
Yeah, Lakshman, over to you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sampath, for allowing me to say a few words. Generally, when we come to research program, when we are
Hello.
involved in such a
Hello.
Vinay, am I not audible?
Okay, audible. You are audible.
Oh.
Okay. Right. So, dear teacher friends, when we are involved in some research programs, projects, generally most of these research programs are self-motivated and self-driven. So everybody is there with us to help us at any moment, but our internal motivation is very important, because here conducting a research is nothing but we are learning and we are evolving some new concepts, and we are adding some knowledge to the existing domain where we are working. So actually it's a great thing, adding new knowledge to the existing knowledge. So now we are doing some historical thing, because sometimes our concept or our strategy may be used across the world. Of course, it seems a very little, or we think that it may not be useful, but sometimes it will be fine. It will be found more interesting to the people who are working in across the world on the same issue. So you think in that manner and uh, work honestly. That is very important. So you should be on field. You should be in touch with your right. Hello. Hello.
Continue, Lakshman.
Hello.
Continue. Okay.
Right. So I request all the teacher friends, mentors will be there and super mentors will be there, and everybody is there. Uh, even professors may be there. But unless we show interest, unless we show our interest towards the project, we all will become helpless. So please dedicate some time to the research, and we shall complete the program as early as possible. Okay, this is from my end, Sampath. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lakshman. And
Sampath sir.
Vishnu
So-
sir, please.
Yeah, I have just invited one of the teachers from Vikarabad to join our team as a teacher.
Yes, sir. You can allow anybody.
Sarita, introduce yourself.
Sarita ma'am, please. Kranti ma'am also, please introduce yourself, those who are new to this platform, and you can, what you are expecting from us and what do you want to do, and why you have joined here.
She
Please.
is very new to this project.
Yes. Is she there, sir?
She is in the meeting, sir.
Sarita ma'am.
Sarita,
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Hello,
Yeah, over to you.
sir. This is Sarita from ZPHS Elakonda, sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am,
No,
you
no,
are
speak.
audible. You can.
You can speak.
Sir, I'm not able to hear it.
yeah, you are audible, Sarita. You go on speaking. Hello.
So just I would like to join the meeting, sir.
Yeah. You
Get
have just
trained
joined.
about this.
Yeah.
Madam, if you would like
After
to- if you-
after this, I'll just if I had after that I've had an idea and I'll speak about this. Just now I joined the meeting.
Okay. Solid.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank
Kranti
you,
ma'am, will you
Sarita.
speak?
Shall I?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm Kranti here. Shall I, sir?
Yeah, ma'am. Over to you.
A happy good evening to all. Special thanks to Sampath sir from my side because I just want to share my experience with you all. Being with Sampath sir, sir introduced me at a platform collaborative from SCRT and Ajim Premji Foundation English Language Enrichment course. I think it is of ago 8 months. However, the journey was so energetic because sir, what he grasped there from my side and what he noticed my contribution towards my professional journey. He connected me to Children's Day group. What happened? I made my children from 3rd to 5th to participate in national level competition, storytelling and rhymes recitation, and they could get participation certificates. And for me also, they sent a certificate, enthusiastic teacher, and that was great experience for me. Not only that, I want to share with you all one more thing. The journey with Warangal ELTA is so much energetic because they always encourage throughout the state, teachers throughout the state towards their professional journey in most passionate way, especially in learning English, I think. And then this is first day, of course, I am here to share my feelings or my ideas with you all. One last thing, sir. What I feel here is whatever the destination there will be, the journey itself is a happiest for me because I love to learn English skills. Whenever I always feel a learner and I always ready to learn whatever it's there. And not only that, I always plan for joyful learning, playway methods, language games. I share whatever the knowledge I could get from this kind of platforms. Being that attitude, I always motivated towards my professional journey. I'm really thankful for that, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, sir.
Madam,
Hello,
your
ma'am.
place of working?
I am from Siddipet district, Mulugu Mandal, primary school Mulugu. And one more thing, thanks to Salome madam also, she's so cool and friendly towards me.
Okay,
Because
very nice.
I'm
Very nice to hear from you. Very nice.
I'm
All the best.
HGT, sir. I'm HGT.
No problem. No problem.
My service is about 20 years. I had English methodology, but I couldn't get promotion. While mass promotions in the number of double digits, I just missed. I was in the second year at that time, but I always practice whatever the ideas I get with my little children only. I enjoy a lot. This is all about my side. One more thing, sir. Last one thing. This journey is like a feedback or review, self-assessment, because whatever the trial, whatever the experiment, whatever the practice, offline or online, what is the motto? The motto is to improve the outcomes. What are the outcomes? Standards of children. Obviously, it is everywhere throughout the world. It's become global village, universal. No limitations are there among the countries. Language is a communicative tool for human beings, living things. So we have to learn the foreign language. So we must be connected to this kind of platforms. I wish all the organizers of these programs best, sir. And I request you all to encourage us also. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, your words clearly indicate your attitude towards research project.
Thank you, ma'am. And over to Sham, sir. Will you share anything?
Yeah, sir. Good evening,
evening.
all ELTA members and enthusiastic teachers who joined now for this particular program. Actually, what we are going to do, I could not understand. Means already once we completed our presentations on action research, and are we going to restart one more action research? Because I could not attend some meetings. And I little bit confused about that Vanilla Madam program and our program. Actually, I'm on the way of ELTA way. So I thought of joining and going with ELTA only. So I did not join Vanilla's Madam's programs. So I'm ready to do whatever the program we are going to connect for the sake of our children and for our enhancement of language. I thank you all fraternity of our English ELTA Warangal and all the state teachers who are enthusiastically working and joining and they are sharing their views. And somebody is smiling. I don't know why. Please mention why you are smiling. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Sham, sir.
Sir.
Vinay, sir, please.
Sir.
You have presented only your progress. So you have identified the problem, you narrow down, you have explored it. You thought of collecting the data, taking interviews, taking opinion of your students. So after collecting data, you need to address the issue. You have to find something new. So have you done that? You have to try something new in the classroom to address the problem that you have selected. You haven't done that. If you have done that, and then your findings, that will be your final presentation. So whatever you presented is only your journey. So whatever you have done so far, you made a presentation. So still there is a lot to do. So don't think that it is over. Did you get my point, sir?
Sham, sir, we are in the middle and we have to go, we have to continue.
Haven't completed our action.
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Ramana,
sir.
sir, Pravina ma'am, and others. Mamta ma'am, will you speak anything? Or Radhakishan sir, Salami ma'am.
So Sampath sir.
Padma ma'am, please.
So do we have any presentation on analyzing data, sir?
Yeah, we'll plan for that, ma'am. When we go for the next level, then analyzing data, collecting data, we are at now exploration stage only, whether we have completed or not. We have collected the data from our friends and our teachers and our students like that. That you finish. Regarding that, if you face any problem, and you can. Otherwise, you have completed, it's okay. You think about the future plan that how can I go for the action phase and how can I collect and what are the tools I want to go and whether it is possible for me and what is the situation. You think about that and you keep everything like a record, and later
Okay.
you'll go further steps.
No, okay, just a minute, Sampath.
Vinay,
So,
okay.
so far, most of them, they haven't started collecting the data. So if the data collection is over, there after analyzing the data, if they plan some activities to be implemented in the classroom, then we will go for presentations once again. So just tell me when you are going to finish all these things. So another thing is documentation. So only Padma ma'am, she has done the documentation. So please just tell me how many of you have already started writing whatever you are doing in the form of a document.
So here I have a doubt. When do we need to analyze the data, sir? After data collection, don't we need to analyze the data here? Or after data collection, we need to start action phase?
So let us take an example, ma'am. So my problem is how to help the struggling readers. So then I prepared the questionnaire for the teachers and the students. So the teachers said that textbook is not good enough. So active lessons are not interesting. Students are not showing interest. So this is the data that I got from the teachers. And I asked the students. Students also said that, so we are studying in Telugu medium, so we are not able to read the text well. Some of them said that fault is with us only, sir. We are not showing interest in from our childhood onwards. So this is the data I collected. After collecting this data, so analyzing means not drawing the graphs and other things. So first teacher's opinion is the textbook is not interesting. So then I thought of taking storybooks. So this is in my plan of action. So then I collected some Panchatantra stories. So selected some important stories. So this is in the plan of action. So first you have to take so we are thinking that this is problem. So at the same time, we have to think from others teachers' point of view, from the students' point of view. So this is called the data collection. That's all. So you have closely look at the Anderson's presentation again. So he has clearly given example of how to collect data and how to analyze that. So we collect the data at two phases. One is after finalizing the research question, we collect the data from the teachers, friends, colleagues, students. So this for to introspect ourselves, whether we are in the right track or not. So based on that, we change our teaching style. We change activities that we use in the classroom. We try something new in the classroom. So then we implement all these things. Then again, we collect data. So that collection will helpful to show your findings, what results you have got. Suppose after introducing the storybooks into the class, students are showing much interest than the regular textbook. So you are successful there. So then how you engage them in the reading the storybooks? So I practiced a visualization activity. So what is that visualization? I asked the students to draw the characters of the animals and use the speech bubbles to write the dialogues. So this activity made the students to engage with the story. So this is the second phase of data collection, what their students are doing in the class. So before that, we have to introspect. We have to collect the data from the teachers and the students to refine our teaching strategies. Is it clear now?
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
So
Sir,
keep on thinking.
I
Not only that, writing everything in the paper is also important. So that will help you to become a better.
Oh.
So do you remember your headings, sir, Padma ma'am, whatever that you have used in your document, or will you share it with the screen here? How to
now,
document?
Sir?
How to now?
It takes time, sir. Will you give me 5 minutes?
You do that. Meanwhile, some other will respond.
Oh, okay.
Sir, I request Neela ma'am to respond for a few seconds.
Madam, Neela ma'am, please.
Sampath sir, here I want to say one thing.
Okay, Mamta, over to you.
No, sir, everything you have already said, and as Lakshman sir said, internal motivation is very, very important. And one more thing is, please finalize the list. Whether all the TRs are going to present, going to participate in the research or not, because few researchers are not attending and few attending and doing their work. This is not a complaint, just for answer. So please finalize the list. As you yesterday in your session mentioned, committed teachers and committed researchers are required, sir.
Okay, how many are in the journey, and we should know. And
Yes,
we can
yes,
go
sir.
further. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And okay, if they are facing any problem, let us know.
Yes.
Because the communication gap is there, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Lot
Okay.
of
we will
communication
talk.
gap is there.
Yes, yes. So please finalize. All mentors are requested to finalize your TRs, whether they are going to continue. Ask them to take time, but stick to it or not, or any other issues. You finalize yourselves, and please let us know. Thank you, Mamta ma'am, reminding us. And next,
Okay.
Neela ma'am, what to you? Roja ma'am is also there. Please.
Good evening, everyone, sir.
Hello. Vinay sir.
Yeah.
Radhakishan.
Radhakishan sir. Okay.
Radhakishan, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay. Good evening, Vinay sir and Sampath sir, TV Rao sir, and all my friends, all the mentees and mentors. And also, firstly, I would like to congratulate to Sarita and Kranti madam, those who joined recently in our this exploratory action research program. And also, I would like to congratulate Sampath sir and TV Rao sir for participating in that Maharashtra teams program, and very nice presentation, sir. Congratulations to you both, sir. Sampath sir and TV Rao sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, Radha.
Sir. In our exploratory research program, I am in the exploratory stage only. In the collection of data collection, it is going on, sir. And I have already presented my slides in previous program, previous meeting, sir. And also, Lakshman sir clearly mentioned adding new knowledge to the existing knowledge is this action research. And also, as Vinay sir said, introspection should take place. And also, mainly it is a self-driven and self-motivated program. So, all the mentors and mentees,
Sampath sir?
best of luck, sir. And we will do the program perfectly. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Nandal.
Sir, good evening, everyone.
Neela ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, I am. I'm very happy with my team. Everybody is motivated, and maximum participation in all the presentations is done by teacher researchers. They make it a point to attend all the presentations done by all of you, and even the ones that you ask us to join. And that is a great learning happening in the team. So this should give us very good results. The thought process is going on in every teacher's mind. And it will definitely be a fruitful endeavor. That's what I believe and hope. Thank you, sir.
What about the other teacher researchers, those who haven't done their presentation so far?
Actually, Usman sir, he was in his trip. He was somewhere near Jammu and Kashmir when these presentations were going on. That was what prevented him from taking one. Otherwise, he can always do it. He was the first presenter, sir. Richard Smith's A Handbook of Exploratory Action Research. Chapter 1 was actually presented by Usman sir only. The only thing that he was on tour to the north prevented him from doing. And Balraju sir was, of course, busy with the daughter's wedding, and I hope he will do next.
Do they continue in the projects?
I mean, Pravina ma'am has already done. So, I mean, 5 of them are active, sir. Balraju sir also with his kind of experience, he should be doing, sir. Because I tell him even now it isn't late, sir. You can always join after the wedding. And now that the wedding is over, I'm hopeful that he would join.
Okay, if they are ready for their presentations, so let us know that. So let me inform that so that we can arrange a meeting. Okay, so this is for all the mentors. If anybody is interested to present again, the new teacher researcher, he has done some work, we will go for presentations. Okay.
So Vinay sir, fix a date, fix one date, so that by the time they also, if there is no date, no timeline like that, they won't. So
Okay.
let us fix one date.
Yeah, I will do that.
By
I
the
will
time
do that.
if
Post the
anyone is
time
ready,
sheet
we
again,
will ready.
okay, for the presentations. Remind. So and also for data collection, and after collecting data, analyzing, and you plan something new that you are going to implement in the classroom, then also we will go for the one more presentation. So when it will be, just tell me the tentative dates. How much time do you require for that? Those who already completed the first presentation. So now you have to do collect data, analyze data, and plan of action. So what are the something new activities or the things that you are going to do in your classroom to address the problem? So plan that, then you go for presentation again. So before the schools reopen. So just tell me the tentative. Is it okay if I fix the schedule after 1 month? Maybe June, last week of June.
Okay, sir.
It's
After
okay.
15th, it is okay. 15 days enough. Meanwhile, June 15th, you will start, sir.
Okay, June
So one thing,
last week of the June, you will have one more round of presentations. So during these presentations, what you will do now, you will collect data, analyze data. Based on that data analysis, you will try something new in the classroom. So let us select at least 4 or 5 new innovative activities that you are going to implement, so that these activities will address your classroom issue, problem that you have selected. So with this, you will make a presentation. I will give you the scaffolding questions, how to address that. So based on that, prepare your presentation and get ready for this. Okay, that's fine. So documentation, Padma ma'am, are you ready? Will you ready to show your documents? So how to document whatever that you are doing?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
So
Good evening. Sorry to interrupt, sir. Good evening.
I'll just share my screen, sir.
Padma ma'am, before that, Rosa ma'am is ready to respond, and 1 minute. Okay.
Rosa ma'am, go ahead.
Oh.
Padma ma'am, you will present.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, Padma ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Yes,
Vinay sir and Venkateswar Rao sir, Sampath sir, and all the dignitaries over here. Good evening, everyone, and nice to be here once again with all of you. And sir, regarding this research, sir, action research, actually there were 7 teachers with me, but 5 of them have already got explored, sir, and they are now ready to go for their action phase. When we have planned these strategies also, sir. So as you said, within the next month, by June 15th, definitely they will come up with their own action phase. And we have already started listing out the different strategies and activities that we need to go for in the action phase. And one teacher, once again, she has become active these days. So she would be catching up. She's in the exploratory stage. So totally 6 members are there, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Great.
Sir,
Padma ma'am, go ahead.
I would like to share my screen, sir. Sir, is it visible? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are sharing.
Others, please mute yourself. Lakshman sir.
Hello.
Mute yourself. There is a noise from you. Padma, ma'am, cannot see your screen again.
I think some technical issue with Padma ma'am, sir.
Okay, meanwhile, others can respond. Salome ma'am, will you speak anything? Veena ma'am is there, Vimala ma'am is there, Satyanarayana sir is there, Satyam and then Salome ma'am.
Excuse me, sir, Sampath sir, I have some doubts, sir.
Kranti ma'am, please go on.
Sir, in our district, Siddipet, our Honorable DO sir has given some instructions for house visits of the children to appreciate and assess their project work. I used to visit their houses day by day. There, what I did is I used to send them some project works for language learning itself, to develop their vocabulary, some action words, like that. They what and they done art integrated learning. I mean, especially drawing skills. Some of them done projects, models, and I made them learn at that before their house only. I used to practice them prepositions also. If they stand before a van, I'm standing before a hand, I'm standing like that. I could do so many things. Can I take that aspect for project? This project.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Not only that, sir, even on Women's Day also, I was with my children along with their mothers, sir. Because before Women's Day, before 2 days, I could make them and encourage them prepare some greeting cards for their mothers. And on Women's Day, I made them to see their mothers, and greetings also conveyed. And one more task: make your mother to learn at least orally, find out notice the words and letters, both English and Telugu, and that is called Ammato Kalsi Chadavu. Task given for them for 2 months period. Like that, some activities I could do, sir. Shall I take that? Because after reopening of the schools, children may not come, but we there I also planned some, and again I want to visit their houses. Rest of the things I want to implement there at field visits, sir. Shall I use this for my project, sir? I have this doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Everything is you can means here you want to select a question, and also you have to finalize it, and you have to narrow down how you can take all these examples for your journey to improve your standards, the standards of the students. Okay.
Mostly, I believe children are the best motivators for other children.
Yes,
I used
yes,
to
yes,
take
ma'am,
some
that's true.
videos of their practices, and I used to share them among the students groups. Other children also motivated. Even now, summer camp is going on in our school, sir. Online summer camp in our district. Dance, classical dance, music, and yoga practices have been practicing by children, sir, for last 7 days. And there
Okay,
also
ma'am.
there.
Congratulations, and you can take all these evidences, and also you can go further. Thank you, ma'am.
I have these videos, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So Padma ma'am, you can send to my WhatsApp number. I can share if you couldn't do that. And any others, please want to speak, please unmute yourselves. Satyanarayana sir is there. Others who have not done, P. Ramana sir is there. Pravina ma'am. Satyanarayana sir, over to you. Yeah.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, just now our mentor Rosarani ma'am, she presented a version. So we are in the middle of the project, sir. We prepared questionnaires for the students and the teachers also, and collected data also. And from our students, I talked to my students, sir, actually. So we are on the planning. So what are the strategies and methods or action plan? We have to plan for that, and we are waiting for the schools to reopen, sir, so that we can execute our plan. So we are in the middle of the stage, and I have a doubt, sir. So our sir Vinay sir, in that agenda, how to prepare that poster? He mentioned posters, no, sir? So we need some clarity on that. So what about posters?
So this is not a compulsory activity, but the purpose of that is to keep you engaged in the process. So far, whatever you understand about the action research. So how this is different from whatever that you are doing regularly in the classroom. So based on your understanding, you can prepare a poster and share it with us so that we can add or we can give suggestions, you can update it. Finally, we will share that in the social media, that is ALTA's Facebook page and the Facebook. So this is one idea, not compulsory, it's a one thing. So another thing is that prepare a video of 3 to 5 minutes, your journey as a teacher researcher, what you have done. So your concept of action research. So what do you mean by the action research? How it helpful for the teachers. So through this way, we can give a message to all the teachers in the stage. So we are working with that. So you can prepare a poster or a video of 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that. It's not a mandatory or compulsory program, but if you are interested, you can create that and share with us so that we can distribute it throughout the state, all the WhatsApp groups and the Facebook and everything. So we are promoting the classroom-based action research through this activity. Try this. It's not compulsory, but do. If possible, if you have time, you can do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Vinay sir, one thing, sir.
Yeah.
So what is meant by finalization of a template?
After what you have to document. So I want to check the Padma ma'am's document is right. Suppose if you want to write whatever that you are doing. So what you will write in the first para? So it's introduction. So what you will write in the introduction? Why you have chosen that problem? What is the need of that? Then background. Background means you will talk about your school background. Where do you work? Your students' context, your village context, their literacy rate, and other things like this is the second paragraph. So like that, you have to set certain goals, certain side headings. So with this, you start writing a document, your research question, your exploratory questions, then the data collection tools. So how you collected data, questionnaire. So like that, you go on writing in a document. This call it as a template. So it is a common for all the team members with the same. We can make changes also in the future. It is not finalized, but only thing is that to move forward. Okay. Padma ma'am, are you ready?
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir. Thank you
it
very
is
much.
shared, ma'am. Padma ma'am, please explain what you have done, documented the things, and others also try to do like this. Go to you, ma'am. Padma ma'am.
Yes, good evening, sir, and good evening all. This is action research question. The problem that I have taken, the problem with my students, they struggle to read. Actually, in all the skills they are weak, but what I feel is at least if they read, they'll understand and they'll try to write, and then eventually they can speak in English. So I have chosen reading problem. So always I used to think and face this issue that it comes to my mind that why the existing problems are not working out. Is the problem is with the teacher or the practice that we apply in the classrooms, or is it with our students? So that kind of thoughts and feelings always used to hit my mind. So I feel this action research has given me some a path to find out this problem. So I have chosen reading, and actually my complete motive is why the existing teaching practices are not working. What I need to, how I need to introduce, or else what I need to. Shall I change the classroom? So action research question or the problem is this: what causes or hindrance in their learning? So I need to focus on that. Then my research question was, what are the best practices to support my students who lag behind in reading skills? And my further exploratory questions are, what are the reasons for my 9th class? Because I have taken 9th class students, regional medium students, inability to read the textual passages fluently and confidently. And these are the exploratory questions. What problems do they face when they encounter new words, phrases while reading the text? And what are my students' perceptions on the need for improvement of their reading skill? And what are my colleagues' observation? I have involved my colleagues too. And I have selected some tools for data collection. And these are like, since I work in low resource context, technically the students were not technically efficient. Either students are the facilities that are available to with them. So I have chosen informal interview and classroom transaction. I have recorded audio and video recorded, and I have provided a questionnaire. And the same questions have been asked in my informal interview too. So I have collected data, and even with my colleagues, I have invited my colleagues to my classroom to observe my class. And even my colleagues were provided questionnaires. I have asked my colleagues questionnaire to teachers and questionnaire to students are also there, sir. So please scroll that, sir. Sampath sir? Sampath sir? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the students' questions, sir. So the data collection for informal interviews with students and critical review of a colleague in the classroom. These are the tools that have been used. And the students' questions are, I have used these questions in my questionnaire, and I have collected their even their answers, but everything was given in English and translated in Telugu too, because problem itself is a reading problem, because the students will not, even if they read, they might face some difficulty in understanding that. So I have given questions in English, and also I have given translated them in Telugu and have written that. So they try to read the questions and read the answers in Telugu too. They have read, actually, not read. They have read, and they have written their answers in Telugu. So those Telugu answers have been translated and written here in the documentation. And with the questionnaire, it became evident with their answers that all students enjoy reading the text in English. Actually, they love to read, speak, listen, everything they want to do. They want to be proficient in English, actually. So that is the other part. And all the students enjoy reading the text in English. They love to read easy stories and poems with pictures. And there is predominant fear in reading the text. They face some difficulty. That difficulty is making them avoid to read. And other factors also have they have mentioned. Those I mentioned here, sir. And the teachers' questions were also there. So scroll that. No? Teachers' questions are like, do my other subject teachers also face this difficulty, because we are language teachers? I have involved my Telugu and Hindi teachers too. And because usually Telugu is a mother tongue, so they might not face any difficulty. That presumption will be there. And Hindi may be only for, it is for 18 marks. So, and the portion for Hindi is very less. So they might not be facing the same difficulty. So thinking that, I asked them, and they interestingly, all the teachers, whomever I have involved, all of them have come up with their answers, and those answers are a bit similar to my observation. In my even I have felt the same thing because my students are unable. First have come and they have given the same answers. So altogether, the teachers' perspectives, I have recorded the answers here. And till now, the data collection has been done, sir. And now I have to, that's what I had a doubt, whether I have to analyze this data, whichever I have collected, whichever till now, whatever I have collected, or else I have to start my action phase. That's the doubt that I had.
Unable to recognize the words. So this is the sample that you got from the colleague. So how to address this? So this is the problem that your students are not able to read. So now you think of alternative, how to make your students to recognize the words. Do you think of any activity, any strategy that will help your students to recognize the words in that? So this is nothing but analyzing the data.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
So keep documenting that also. So to address this issue, I have chosen this and this. This is the activity that I have selected. So this you will implement in the classroom. You will try. Then you will also collect how far you are successful in that. If not, why? So what else you can do? So everything you keep a document, you go on writing. It is just like your reflective diary also. So this will help you. At the end also, you can publish this one into a paper. You cannot do that within a 1 day or 2 days because in the WhatsApp or the Facebook, you saw that somebody posted to publish your paper and last date is the 15th June. So if you go on doing this, that will be ready by that time. So this is my advice for you. Put everything in the document. The document is secret. Don't show it to anybody else. But write something, whatever comes in your mind, just put it there. Today you thought that, oh, unable to recognize, but how to address this? So let us try this. Let us try this. Let us try this. Put everything on the paper. That's it. That's the way you can move.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Interesting, sir. And it appears to be very easy to. When we write like a reflective diary, it would be easier, and it won't appear like a complex one. When I see the complete documentation at once, then it becomes like a complex one. But
yeah, every first paper is like this only. Then we will update, we will add, we will remove unnecessary data, we will update. So it happens. It's a continuous process.
Yes, sir.
Vinay sir, Vinay sir, yes, I feel that we should make a rough draft while getting some ideas, new and innovative ideas to address these issues. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rough and fair also simultaneously you go on doing and refine yourselves and keep ready everything.
Because we may not get the same idea the next time.
Yes, yes.
So we should immediately put it on the paper when whatever we get.
Yes, sir. Everything should be recorded. By that will be easy for us while finalizing the things.
Yes.
Okay. Over to Mr. P. Ramana sir or Arna ma'am. Those who have not reflected till now, please take initiation and I will close by within a few minutes.
Sampath sir, one more thing. Is Roja ma'am's presentation date fixed for MR Maharashtra?
Yes, yes, it is postponed, but maybe on Monday we'll have, and tomorrow Mamta ma'am is there. And I request all the TRs to attend the meeting. And in further sessions also we are going to plan as Vinay mentioned. And we have to present a poster, a video of your journey or the process, how far we have come, the process we are doing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Others?
Sorry, sir. May I take a minute, sir?
Yes, yes. Roja ma'am, please go on.
Sir, thank you, Vishnu, sir. And actually, you have reminded me. Sorry, Vinay, sir. Actually, you gave us a good opportunity, but sorry, because of ill health, I couldn't take up on 23rd.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, sir. I informed ma'am because I
Okay,
was.
thank you for joining, though you are somewhat bit sick. Okay, thank you.
It's
Over to
okay,
you.
sir. But on 23rd, it was like that. So now I would like to take up within 2 to 3 days, sir. I would be informing those people. Thank you, sir.
All the best, Roja ma'am. Be
Thank you,
confident
sir.
and be ready for the.
It's all because of the support of all you people, sir. Thanks a lot.
Are you okay now, ma'am?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Okay. Take care of yourself, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. In
Okay,
isolation, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Please,
Ah, sir. Sir. Good evening, super mentors, and teacher researchers. This is Veena. I already completed my questionnaires and data collection, sir, and analyze my data some extent. And I planned how to make my action to progress with my students, but my students are very inactive while they are using smartphones. So that's why there is some gap in this area. So I try my best to do up to 15 days or 20 days, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Veena ma'am. So
Sir.
failures are also part of success. So when
Yes,
you try
sir.
to do that online, so let us put it in the paper. What challenges
Yes.
you have faced? So why you
Yes,
cannot engage your students there in that? Put it
Okay,
everything in that, because this is also the part of action research. Challenges that you have faced while doing this. Okay.
Okay, sir. Right, sir.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Osman sir, Ramna sir, Pravina ma'am. Please, 1 minute. Take 1 minute and we can. Arna ma'am, over to
Good
you.
evening, good evening, everybody.
Yeah.
Sir, I am preparing questionnaire, sir. At the beginning, I was actually on those days I was not present here. I went on some planned trip. I'll complete it by 15th of June, sir. With the help of our mentor Veena ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Okay. Pravina ma'am, you are raised, please.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sampath sir, Vinay sir, Venkateshwar sir, Neelam Madam ma'am, and all the mentors and teacher researchers. I have already presented my, but I was having a doubt how to continue still the further. So when I have attended the Maharashtra's and Tiviro sir session and Sampath sir session, I got clear. And by the today's session, I am clear, sir, how to continue. So I am going to write documentations and complete it by the next 15 days. I think so. Whatever that you may give. But we know, sir, as it is pandemic and ours is a primary school, I can't contact my children through Zoom or something. But I will go through the documentations. I will keep it on the paper, and as soon as we open the schools or something, I will do it, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Already I
ma'am.
have done some
Yes.
of them.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, you can do and you can
All
present.
these things action phase will be when the schools reopens. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm having now. I'm clear how to continue the sessions, sir. Thank you for this wonderful sessions.
Okay. Any others? Shall we wind up? Arna ma'am. Arna ma'am, over to you.
Yeah, good evening, sir. This is Aruna from Mancherial. Sir, good evening all the teachers, good evening all the mentors, super mentors. So I have done my project up to the questionnaire to the students, and I have to do questionnaire to my colleagues. That to be done, sir. So how should I proceed with my colleagues? So during this crisis, COVID crisis.
You
This
can
is
send
my
a questionnaire or a Google form, or you can make a call, or even make a call and record it. That is also an evidence. You frame some questions to us and take all the responses from them, and you can get some idea. This is the opinion of my friends.
Okay, sir. Okay. Then I have attended the EBA sessions also, and I got the clear idea of this quantitative data and qualitative data.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Arna ma'am, thank you.
Thank you.
Any others? Salome ma'am, will you speak anything? Or any others? Over to you. Okay. Vinay, over to you.
Thank you all for joining.
Azad is there. Azad. Azad, are you ready? Okay, over to you, Vinay. Oh, let us wind up.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for joining us, spending your almost 1.5 hour time. It's a great